Homemade tips. Hair loss 1. Hair oil massage. The first step that you can take to reduce hair loss is to massage your scalp with appropriate hair oil. Proper hair and scalp massage will increase blood flow to the hair follicles, condition the scalp, and enhance the strength of your hair's roots. It will reduce feelings of stress. You can use hair oils like coconut or almond oil, olive oil, castor oil, amla oil, or others. Add a few drops of rosemary essential oil to the base oil for better and faster results. Other types of oil that you can use are emu oil, argan oil, and wheat germ oil. Massage any of the hair oils mentioned above onto your hair and scalp by applying light pressure with your fingertips. Do this at least once a week. 2. Indian gooseberry. For natural and fast hair growth, you can use Indian gooseberry, also known as amla. Indian gooseberry is rich in vitamin C, of which a deficiency in the body can cause hair loss. The anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, antibacterial, and the exfoliating properties present in Indian gooseberry can help maintain a healthy scalp and promote hair growth. Mix 1 tablespoon each of Indian gooseberry or amla pulp and lemon juice. Massage your scalp with the mixture thoroughly. Cover your hair with a shower cap. Leave it on overnight and shampoo your hair in the morning. 3. Fenugreek. Fenugreek, also known as methi, is highly effective in treating hair loss. Fenugreek seeds contain hormone antioxidants that enhance hair growth and help rebuild hair proteins and nicotinic acid that stimulate hair growth. Soak 1 cup of fenugreek seeds in water overnight. In the morning, grind them to make a paste. Apply the paste to your hair and cover with a shower cap. After about 40 minutes, rinse your hair. Follow this remedy every morning for a month. 4. Onion juice. Onion juice helps treat hair loss due to its high sulfur content, which helps improve blood circulation to the hair follicles and reduce inflammation. The antibacterial properties in onion juice also help kill germs and parasites and treat scalp infections that can cause hair loss. Extract the juice of 1 onion by grating it and then strain it. Apply the juice directly onto the scalp. Leave it on for about 30 minutes and then wash it off. Finally, shampoo your hair. Mix together 3 tablespoons of onion juice and 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel. You can also add 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Apply this mixture onto your scalp and leave it on for at least 30 minutes before rinsing it off and shampooing your hair. 5. Aloe vera. Aloe vera contains enzymes that directly promote healthy hair growth. Also, its alkalizing properties can help bring the scalp and hair's pH to a more desirable level, which can greatly promote hair growth. Regular use can also relieve scalp itching, reduce scalp redness and inflammation, add strength and luster to hair, and alleviate dandruff. Both aloe vera gel and juice will work. Apply aloe vera gel or juice onto the scalp. Leave it on for a few hours and then wash it off with lukewarm water. Repeat the process 3 to 4 times a week. You can also consume 1 tablespoon of aloe vera juice daily on an empty stomach to enjoy better hair growth. 6. Licorice root. Licorice root is another herb that prevents hair loss and further damage to the hair. The mollifying properties of licorice roots open the pores, soothe the scalp, and help get rid of irritations like dry flakes. This remedy is good for dandruff, hair loss, and baldness. Add 1 tablespoon of ground licorice root to 1 cup milk with a 1/4 teaspoon saffron. Mix it thoroughly. Apply the paste on bald patches at bedtime and leave it on overnight. In the morning, wash your hair. Follow this remedy once or twice a week. You can also take licorice internally in the form of licorice tea 3 times a day. 7. Coconut oil. Coconut milk is rich in protein and essential fats that promote hair growth and prevent hair loss. When applied to the hair, coconut milk provides quick results. You can make fresh coconut milk at home by adding a freshly grated coconut to a pan of water. Let it simmer for 5 minutes, then strain it once cool. Apply the milk thoroughly onto the scalp and into your hair. Leave it on for about 20 minutes and then shampoo your hair. To make the treatment more effective, you can mix black pepper and podi-red fenugreek seeds to the coconut milk before using it. Thanks for watching, and subscribe to our channel and press bell to more Health 24 videos, and also see my all videos.